Hey, good morning everyone. My name's Brad Austin and I am here to do a small product review on the Solgaard traveling suitcase. I'm sure many of you have actually seen it online, probably when you're scrolling Facebook or TikTok or whatever. I thought it was a really cool idea when I saw it, and so I decided to buy one, and then I'm going to review it here for you to see if it's something you guys would be interested in. Now, as dancers, we tend to pack a lot of stuff and we take it with us to events. Normally, I have to pack a normal suitcase and check it in when I'm traveling, if I'm not driving, if I'm flying. So one of the things I really wanted to start doing was being able to not have to check my luggage. So when I saw this suitcase system with a closet system in it, I thought it might be a good opportunity to see if this would actually work. So we're gonna review this product and you guys can let me know what you think. So here I am unpacking the box. Came in a pretty good condition. The inside, came inside this bag, which is pretty cool. So it's pretty well protected. Pulling off the sleeve here, here's a little 360 rotation for you, just to give you an idea of the size and also sturdiness. I love the locking mechanism here. It's like a little sandwich. You just click it. The compartments reminds me of camping a lot in a tent, but it has two zip-up sections, and then it also has a little shoe compartment at the bottom. But I thought this was really cool here. There's the shoe compartment. You can throw your shoes in there. On the other side, it's got a little zip-up compartment when you don't use the closet system. So here's what I basically bring, clothes layout, pants, shirts, t-shirts, socks, underwear, electronics, all of that. All right, so let's see if we can get all this stuff in here. I packed away 9 t-shirts, 3 comp shirts, 3 pairs of pants, socks, underwear, a lot of underwear in case I shit myself. All right, so we actually got all that in that bag. Everything that I normally take to an event fits into the portable luggage section. So now the really big question is can we get all of that squeezed into the suitcase? So let's find out. All right, so you see here, so it's got these little straps on the side, which are really cool, and it allows you to sandwich this down. So if you see me here, I'm going to be pulling on it like right there, and it compresses everything down. So what I had to learn really quickly here is that electronics don't work well in this because electronics don't compress. So you got to keep it to just clothes and things that you can sandwich in. It's sandwiched down definitely small enough for me to fit into the suitcase. As you can see there, shoving the straps in. I will say that the height of it is what caused me the most problem. There's this little clip here that you can clip on. It was a little tough just because of the height of my stuff, but it did go on there. And then closing it. So this is where I was like, okay, well, the height of this thing is a little much, but I was able to sandwich it down and get the suitcase clipped closed, as you can see there. And right there, I think, somewhere. Yep, voila. All right, so we did get it all in there. So you can see here the suitcase is actually closed. The closet system did fit in there. So when I was packing everything in there, my electronics don't compress and they kind of shoved everything up, so I had to take them out. But I normally carry a backpack with me anyway, so I'll just throw my electronics in there. Not a big deal for me. So someone who's maybe carrying hair dryers and other things like that, I don't know if this might be the right solution for you, or you'll have to carry it in a separate bag. And so one of the things that I'm looking forward to in this suitcase, first of all, it's very rugged. It has a combination lock, and it also has a TSA key. So this suitcase is TSA compliant. So you can set a combo so no one can get in your case, but TSA can get into it. It does come with a charging port, and there is an extra add-on that you can throw a battery in here, and so while you're rolling around the airport you can actually charge your devices from your suitcase, which I think is super cool. I did get the battery, but right now it's on back order, so I don't have it. But it is a very sturdy, rugged suitcase. The handle is really nice. The wheels are 360, and it comes in a variety of colors, which is awesome. Now, the thing that I'm looking forward to the most is that as dancers, we typically room with multiple people to save money. So 4 or 5 people in a room is not uncommon, and going and finding some real estate in your room is always a little challenging when you have that many people, because suitcases are large. So one of the things I'm looking forward to is just being able to just open this puppy up and deploy this. So this system here, here's the little side straps I was referring to. So this hook literally just hooks up here on your handle, like so, and then you can release the sides. And you have your closet ready to go. I will say that with that said, I did not use the shoe compartment on the bottom. So there is a shoe section down here where you can throw shoes into. I am carrying my dance shoes in my bag because they don't fit in here. But once again, for me, that's not a problem. For some people, that might be an issue. So in order to get all this to fit, I could not use the bottom compartment. But hey, if you're going on like just a quick 3-day trip and 4-day trip and you don't need to pack as much stuff for dancing, or even if you're doing a normal 7-day, 5 to 7 day trip and you don't have to pack so much stuff that we do for dancing, you could probably fit shoes and all kinds of stuff in here and be perfectly fine. I will say that because of the width of this side of the suitcase cannot be used when you're using the closet system. So I'm assuming that if you're going to use this as a normal carry-on without the closet system, this is a normal side pouch for you to stick stuff in, just like a normal suitcase. So once again, this is the Solgaard traveling suitcase with the closet system. And let me know what you guys think.